Good day, viewers. So today we're going to be looking at minor chords in the key of C. This is C. These are C, the key C. So these are major chords actually. Major. So but I'll be teaching you the minor chords, and there are 5 in number. So the major include then these are the minors. I said demo visitor. So as I ran it as scales, I could also hold it as chords. So there will be combination of A, C sharp, and E. So give me there. And on the left hand, I'm playing my extended chord. That will be C sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Look at it. You can see it. Then more will be key C, D sharp, and G, like this. So it goes like this on the left. So extended chord means the first and last notes are the same, while the middle note is different. You could see I'm using fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 on my right, fingers 1, 4, 5 on my left, like this. Then Phi, this is Phi, that's C, F sharp, and key A. So you could hold Phi like this, or you shift the first to D. Phi could also be held like this. So you could either hold Phi like this or like this. So this is Phi. Then for your Z, I'll also be teaching the application maybe in my next tutorial. That will be key B, key E, and key G sharp, like this. G sharp, key B, key E, and key G sharp. Then To, that will be A sharp, D, and G, like this. These are To. On my left, I'm holding my extended like this. Alright, so now, if I want to make it more melodious, I hold both my major and my minor chords together. You see how beautiful it will be sounding. It's my Do. It will be my De. It will be my Re. It will be my Mo. It will be my Mi. My Fa. My Fi, or I say Fi, the second pattern, or I say So, and this will be my Z, this will be my La, this is my To, my Ti, and my Do. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. This is Vibe with Peter.